spread on top of the charcoal, which gives the roasted plantain that nice look like we are seeing. Hello people, this is Napo presenting African culture on TikTok network. Today we are presenting on African desserts, and no, I won't tell you, just follow me and you'll find out. So people, we are currently at Market Circle. We are at the area in between Superbet Road and Bank of Africa. Yes, that's where we are located right now, and we are fortunate to have one woman in our midst, and she's in the person of Kocho Wafrawoden.
Wafram Grace Apu Kamasa.
Also, our friend Grace Apu Kamasa. Kocho na abezwane.
Mototo koko.
Azutu koko. Koko no, me small I kono no shodo bed opa. Ah, okay. It's Kocho koko na abazi na wazi tutu enya ingredients no wa hemfa eya ne den. Cheche ne nwa do kakra.
Wafram de me di brew papa gu. Na me de nas me du gu.
Okay.
Me wia na me di brew papa no ma so no so. Sana ma ba be me nsu na egudo. Sana me twa bread na egudo.
Sana twa bread na egudo. Ntim Kocho nsu na edi bi gu ase na edi bi gu do so no. Omo bread no ye den.
Omo efe.
Omo bread no ye fe. Nti na why de bia ye botwem bia na wan kote bread no amanfu gudu dam na enwa. Oh, okay. Tawo na aka asem na che. Nti bread no ya enya fi hemfa.
Menya fi sefi.
Sefi kwetin ya. Oh, okay. So if you are listening to us, you will get to know that Sefi is one of the food baskets in Ghana and predominantly in the western region of Ghana. Most of our food we eat in the western region are all from the Sefi environs. And Madam Grace is telling us that she uses the ashes to spread on top of the charcoal, which gives the roasted plantain that nice look like we are seeing here. And we will still continue with the interview. Into mommy, I did nipa do one here na water brother no.
Bread no water. Make a one time of water.
Not enough for so doors.
Fine into water. No customers doors.
No customers doors. Into customers no what bad bank it and when them then when the what bottle was so kwaba.
I am you wending come. The way I mean you want to get inside it is so waba.
I did to saw waba. And mommy met me everybody ni be there.
Go to me you be
Ebusafu ye di brado kwakwa camera do. Ebe di bia ye more. I had the sound pump. Okay, so now we have better see baby. And we pay me your best answer. It's about something about catch a for workshop.
Oh, I'm out for workshop no. As random madam one. Madam one I see. There. What's say menka baby fa me bread to train. The waiting.
Yeah, that's it's your best answer, baby. So folks, that's a wrap on our today's review on African desserts. We hope you found this informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and watch this space for the next one. Thank you so much.